Hello everyone. Firstly, I want to thank you all for watching my video. I am Sam Gopal Timsina and today we'll discuss about series. So normally we do series programs or series calculation in mathematics, and if we are asked to do the same series in programming at that time, how to solve that? Let's check that out. Okay, so if we are given the numbers in this format 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9, and if we are asked to print the numbers up to 10th term, so we have to print 10 different number over here. So now we have to go for the first difference. The first difference is 3 minus 1, that is 2. Similarly, the second difference 5 minus 3, that is 2. Similarly, the third difference 7 minus 5, that is 2. And the fourth difference 9 minus 7, that is 2. So the numbers are arranged in such a way that each and every time the difference is 2. So this is the case where the difference will be same. Now how to solve this problem? So we have to go for the sub program format, that is declare sub. Now we have to write the program name. Okay, I have written shy. Now we don't have to input anything here, so we can just leave the blank bracket. After that cls. Now we can directly call the program name, that is shy, and we can end this part. So the main module is over. Now for secondary module we have to do sub shy. We don't have to use any blank bracket over here. Now in case of series programming, the first number always should be assigned, that is a is equal to 1. We have to assign the first number. Now the next thing that we have to assign is the difference, and the difference is 2. Remember, whenever we are doing series program such as different series, multiple series, in such cases it will be easier if you assign the first term and the difference or the multiple. At that time it will be easier to do program. Now we are asked to print up to 10 terms, so we have to use for loop here. For loop for I is equal to 1 to 10. Now firstly we have to print the first number, that is a. We can give semicolon over here. Now to form the next number we have to add the first number and the difference. That means a and d should be added. So we can write here a is equal to a plus d. Now there is no any change in the difference. That means the difference is same in all cases, so we don't have to do anything with the difference. Now simply we can write next I, and we can end this sub program. So this is the program to print the given number, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. So this is the program, and at last you have to use end sub as well. So I want to show you in the same page, that's why it will be easier for you to understand the program. So we have to assign the first number, that is a is equal to 1, and we have to assign the difference, that is 2. After this we simply have to print the first number, and we have to add the first number with the difference. And the next thing is the difference is same in all cases, because the difference over here is 2, so we don't have to do anything with the difference. Now let's check this in QBASIC screen whether it works or not. So I'm just pasting the program over here. Now the status says it's okay, that means our program is correct. Now we can just press F5 and can check the result. And the result is 1 3 5 7 9 11 13 15. That means whatever we had desired, that we got. So this is the way to do the series program with the same difference. Now if we are asked to do the series program but changing difference, at that time, how to solve the given problem? Suppose if we are given, let's say 1 2 4 7 11, and here the first difference is 2 minus 1, that is 1. Now the second difference is 4 minus 2, that is 2. Similarly, the third difference is 7 minus 4, that is 3. And the fourth difference is 11 minus 7, that is 4. Now to solve this problem, firstly we have to make format, that is declare sub. Now the program name is shy. After that, we don't have to do input whenever the values are given, so I am directly writing call shy after this, and the main part is written over here. Now for the secondary module, what should we do? We have to write sub shy. Now let's go for the first number. The first number is 1, so we'll write here a is equal to 1. Now let's go for the first difference, and the first difference is 1, so we'll write here d is equal to 1. Now we are asked to print the numbers up to 10 terms, so we'll simply write here for I is equal to 1 to 10. Now we just have to print the first number. Now the next thing that we have to do is we have to add the first number with the difference. That means a is equal to a plus d. Now next thing, the difference is not same in this program. The first difference is 1, after that the second difference is 2, third difference is 3, and the fourth difference is 4. So each and every time the difference is being increased by 1. Now what should we do here is we have to write d is equal to d plus 1. Now you can simply write here next I, and finally you can end the secondary module. Now what is the difference between the first program and this one? In case of the first program, there was the same difference throughout the program, so we didn't make any change after this a equals a plus d. That means the difference was same, so we didn't do anything with d. But in case of this program, each and every time the difference is being increased by 1, so we have written here d is equal to d plus 1, and the remaining things are same with the previous program. So now let's check this using QBASIC screen, and let's find whether it is correct or not. So for this, file, new, I don't want to save the previous program. Okay, so we got one error here, that is sub without n sub. We have not copied that n sub from the program, so it is saying like that. Okay, now our program status is okay, that means the program works. Now simply press F5 and check whether it works or not. So the output is 1 2, after that 4 7 11 16 22 29 37 and 46. So we got the desired output again. So this is the way to do series program if there is the difference. That means the series program with the difference can be done in such ways. Now what you have to do is just check different series program, find out whether that is different series program or not, and if that is difference program series, please do that using solve. This is the assignment for you. Okay, and for today I want to sign out. Thank you.